Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you, Shika?
Yes, I am pretty well. Thank you for
Okay,
asking. How-
great. So, is this our second session or first session together? I think it's second. I've met you before, yeah?
Yeah. This is like a second
Second
session.
session. Yeah. How have you been all these days?
Yeah, I have been fantastic.
Oh,
All
that's
so
great.
far.
So far, so good?
Yeah.
All right. So, what plans for the day, Shika?
Oh, so just I came from my school.
Okay.
So
Okay,
after
more till afternoon you have to go to school, is it?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Fine. Right, Shika. So, did you have your lunch?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Right. So, today's topic, did you check the topic out for the day?
Yes, this is extempore topic.
Actually, not extempore, it's actually unexpected situations.
Unexpected situations.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have seen. So there were some question, and yeah, I also seen like some. I don't know. I
Okay.
think I
So,
didn't
this is.
see very
Okay,
proper.
wait, hold on. I think a wrong topic. Wait, hold on. Let me just check. Yeah, it's my bad. Yeah, it's something else actually. It is wait. I don't know. It's sixth. This is your sixth session, right, Chika?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
it is self improvement. And extempore is
Yeah.
option A, happy versus successful or best small business ideas. Which one do you choose?
Happy versus successful.
Go on.
This, yeah. So as per my opinion about this, so happy life and a happy person who is satisfied with his life, whatever
Yes.
he has, and whatever he is doing, the work
Yes.
at all. So if he and she is satisfied with this, so it means
Yes.
he's happy and she is
Mm-hmm.
happy.
Yes.
And along with means whatever the job and the passion who is carrying away, and
Yes.
if he is carrying in a proper way. So I
Mm-hmm.
think then he is also be a successful person. So like this,
Mm-hmm.
if you should if you are going balance your life with
Yes.
with happiness, then you will be a successful life.
Yes. So to be happy, do you really have to be successful?
First thing that I want to be happy successful, this is up to me, and I think
Success,
whatever
success is up to me.
success is up to me. Thank you. And means what I were asking.
Uh,
Okay.
do you really have to be happy? I mean, successful to be happy?
Yeah, to be happy and successful means this is the one thing that everyone wants. So I'm not
Mm-hmm.
gonna say that it's not a thing that I don't want to carry, it's also the thing, but happiness is the first priority of mine.
Yes. Happiness is your first priority. Fine. So, what are the little things that makes you happy, Shika? The little things in life that makes you
Yeah.
happy.
So little things. Okay. So first thing that I would like to share, that is, whenever I spend some time with my family, so this thing that makes me happy so much. Because whenever I am with my family and we are spending some time having fun and all, so that is the moment when I feel so happy. And a
Yes.
part of this also, like if I I think I have shared that yeah, my hobby is dancing. So if I start to dance, so that time I also feel happy. And yes, with my job, with my work, if I am what I am doing, is it right, and is it up to date, then I'm happy.
Yes.
If if it is not up to date, I just I am not completed my some work, this is pending, so that time I feel it's not make me happy. If I have
Yes.
completed everything, then I'm also feeling happy. So these are some little things.
In life that makes you happy. All right. That was good. That was good. So, the main topic for the day is self-improvement. So, according to you, what are the things that you're doing this year to make you to self-improve, to improve yourself? What are the
Okay.
things that you're doing this year to improve
So
yourself?
definitely. Okay. So is this in this year I started to do something that was not in my bucket list, and I started unexpectedly. So
Okay.
that is, something that I started to talk, conversation in English. I started to learn English. So earlier I had no idea, and I had no, any plan for this. So that is one thing that I started for myself. Also, I started to help with the means, with my family, and
Uh-huh.
along with some other people that I started to,
Help my family, not help with another family. I started to help my family,
yeah, so to help with my family.
help my family with something, help my family with financial struggle, or help my family
Yeah,
with the taking care of something like that. But help my family.
yeah. So I started to help my family, as you
Mm-hmm.
mentioned, with financial, how what is my ability and capability. I just start to help
Help
them.
them.
And I also start to just reduce some negative things, which
Mm-hmm.
like, sometimes angriness and all. So I started to be have a patience for a while. Sometimes
Yes.
don't take action just immediately. So I also
Yes.
do this. So I'm working on this because everyone has some demerit and something. So I think
Yes.
we started every year something, and we started to reduce this. Then maybe we will be a good person.
Yes, that's actually true. Yeah, everybody's got a downfall. Everybody's got bad habits and all that. Even I have anger issues as well. So
Yeah,
even I
right.
have been, I have been working on it too, Shiga. That was lovely. Okay. So how important is it to have a self-improvement goal?
Pardon.
How important is it to have a
Yes.
self-improvement goal, Shika?
It is very important because
Mm-hmm.
we are a human being. We have sense. We are not like others, other creatures. So if we have sense, and we also, God gifted us many things. Along with this education, that is one thing that we are carries with us. So if many things we have, then it is very important that we should improve ourselves day by day, by the time. So if we are going to improve ourselves, it is not for others, it's also for you, because you are improving yourself. So
Exactly.
basically, if you are doing this, then by the time the people's, everyone means, you just realize your
People, by the time people,
yeah, by the time people, and your environment, your around, nearby people,
surroundings.
yeah, surrounding. So
Mm-hmm.
everything you feel like it is changes gradually.
Yes,
Yeah, so that's
that's
why
true.
I think self improvement is crucial.
That is actually very true. Right. And also, I think we have to constantly update ourselves with new
Yeah.
things. We always
Uh,
have to constantly. Else, what's the point of life? There are a lot of people, they do not like change. Yeah. They don't want to change. So what do you think about that? Without any change, what kind of a life can you live?
Definitely we should change ourselves, because
Mm-hmm.
this, I think, this is one thing. If you are not gonna change yourself, then by the
Mm-hmm.
time change you, definitely will
The
change
time
you.
will change you. The
The
time will.
time will change you.
Yes.
So we should just prepare for that. We should be changed by the time. And because conservative mind, it also just back you, means
Pull you
for the time.
back. It pull you back. It pulls
Yeah,
you back.
it pulls us back. So don't be a conservative person and a rigid person. And I just so add, like,
Yes.
we just continue by the time, because I also just, I want to mention, I also saw some videos, Instagram reels of many old ladies. So just how they are transformed their life. I think they are updated according to time, and they also enjoying their self, and not only for them, the people and surrounding, every who are watching, all are enjoying. So that's
Yes.
why, because they are updated. So like this,
Updated,
we should
exactly.
be updated by the time.
Exactly. Right, that is
Definitely.
so true. So, what all self improvement goals have you achieved in your past, Shika?
In my past.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so in my past, I did something like, earlier. So I had one one thing, that everything to procrastinate, things to procrastinate.
Procrastinate,
Yeah.
yes.
But whenever I realized that I have this something that is not good for me, so I started to reduce, and I did, definitely I did. And whenever I just realized, after that I started to do, and later on I just saw that one thing that I reform from myself.
Okay, so you changed yourself and then you turned into a better version of yourself.
Just
Right. So, how are your family, or how is your family, or how are your parents helping you in the journey of self improvement? Are they also trying to improve themselves, or are you forcing them to improve themselves?
okay, so interesting question, because okay, my parents, my mother, she is okay. I can say that she is updated by the time, but my father, she is a little bit conservative. So
Yes. Mm-hmm.
all the time, he is not supporting me. Okay, just self
Mm-hmm.
improvement and all. Many times he also scold me that all, but it's not. It doesn't matter for me, because he is my
Mm-hmm.
parent. So that's their responsibility and
Mm-hmm.
all, so don't matter, but that is up to
It
me
doesn't
how.
matter. It doesn't
Yeah, it
matter.
doesn't matter. So I just, whatever I did, that is up to me, that's only of me. And I'm not
Mm-hmm.
gonna say that no one is supporting me, but most of the part which I play, that is by me.
Yes, yes, right. Okay. Well, that's right. Fine. What else about self-improvement goal? Hmm. So, when you turn into a really old lady, yeah, maybe in 50 years, what would you like to see yourself as? Would you like to see yourself as young and energetic and still thriving? Or would you want to relax and have a laid back, relaxed life, retired?
No, no, no. I, I've also always want to, because I mentioned that I want to be updated by the time. So at that time, I also want to be
I
a,
want to be updated by the time. Can you try and frame it a bit better?
yes,
I want to.
yeah, I want to
Hmm.
update by.
I want to be constantly updated.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want to
I
be
want
up
to
to
be
date. Yeah.
constantly updated.
Constantly updated. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yes, like this, at the time I also just be updated, and yeah, kind of whatever you mentioned, like us, okay, young and all. So
Thriving. Yes. That's what you
yeah,
want to be.
don't know.
Right.
I think it is up to us mind. Means if we are thinking right now, then we feel okay. We are not good, and we are not young and all. If we are thinking
Yes.
no, I am, then we will be.
Exactly. Right. So I think our session is about 23 minutes, Shika. Before that, let me give you a feedback. Actually, you were talking very well today. I'm really impressed. You were framing your sentence very well, and very less mistakes you made. Some few mistakes. How many times did I correct you? Not many times. That is good. So you can work on improving your phrases as well now.
Okay.
You really, I feel that you're really working on it. And sometimes here and there you're using, sometimes you're here and there you're a little fumbling for the right word.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're a bit confused as to what word you can use. But the more you talk to people, the better that's going to get. Phrases, I want you to include more phrases in your speech. Work on your phrases, okay? That will make you sound like even more, I mean, even better, it will make you sound.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
You got any doubts, Shika?
Yeah. No. No.
Have you been practicing? How have you been practicing? You've been recording a video and all that and practicing?
Yeah. It has been 1 month, I think. Yeah, more than
Mm-hmm.
20 days.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Since you practiced, is it?
Yeah.
What is it? No, I asked you, how have you been practicing all these days?
Okay. Yeah. In all.
Have you
Yeah.
have you been recording yourself? Have you been talking to people and practicing? What were you doing?
Yes. Yes. So I know I'm not recording, but yeah, I'm talking with people. Face to face, like us now.
Mm. That is
Talk.
great. That is lovely. So keep doing what you're doing. So what are you going to do after the session? Will you have a
Oh,
lunch?
yeah. First of all, I have to lunch, and then after, yeah, I think I just take rest.
Mhm. First of all, I will have my lunch. Okay.
Yeah. First of all,
I
I will
will.
have lunch.
Mm, right, that's the thing. So one thing I noticed is here and there, the mistakes that you made is mainly because you are missing out on the tense of the question. See, I asked you, what will you do after the session? So will has to be there in your answer as well. So yes, you have to consider the question a little better.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, it was lovely talking to you, Shiga. Take care, stay
Yeah.
safe, have a good day. Bye bye. Ta ta.